Hello guys, so how to track an iPhone. Imagine you lost one of your devices, either it's some iPhone or laptop, whatever, but you can actually track them via Find My iPhone app. So in order to track your iPhone on any other Apple device, you just need to go to your Find iPhone app. Then you will need to log in with your iCloud ID. I have done that. And then you will see all of your devices which are online and which are listed in this app and signed in with your iCloud. Then what you can do is you can click on device, so you will already see location, and then you can click on action at the bottom to see all your options. So here you have basically three options. So you can either erase your iPhone, or you can, if you, for example, don't know whether in the flat your iPhone is located, you can just play sound. It will sound something like and this way you will be able to locate your iPhone by sound. Or you can also enter lost mode, which is like also really handy. So turn on lost mode. Lost mode lets you lock and track a missing iPhone. You can also provide contact information in case someone finds this iPhone. So you can basically lock this phone up if you are not sure about where this phone is located and you have some sensible data on your phone. So you can use this option as well. So this is basically it. It's really simple. This way you can track your Apple devices. Thanks for watching.